Nicola Stonehouse is a professor of molecular virology at the University of Leeds and joins us now. Welcome to the programme, Nicola. So let's start with India. It celebrates its biggest festival this weekend. So Diwali, the air pollution, for example, in New Delhi, Diwali celebrations and COVID, those three things, how dangerous is that combination?
Large gatherings are a very bad idea at the moment. The virus spreads very readily between people, and if you've already got a situation where you've got pollution, therefore you perhaps also got other respiratory issues going on, then it's a double problem.
And we've got Christmas, Thanksgiving, Hanukkah, among other celebrations coming up. Your concerns about family gatherings during this pandemic?
I think we really do need to be sensible this year. There will be other years that we can have family gatherings, but if we really don't try and get this pandemic under control, then for some people, though, they will not get the opportunity to be able to celebrate in the future. This virus is killing a lot of people.
And I just want to quote what one US hospital director said that really struck me. He said, Christmas and New Year's celebrations have the potential to, quote, cause a giant intergenerational cluster that leads to another wave of infections. How big is that concern?
It's a major concern. Especially in countries where people spend a lot of time indoors at this sort of time of year, you put a large number of people together for a period of time. They then go and meet other groups of people, and what you've got is an amazing chain of transmission very, very effectively. And we've seen in many places around the world where the numbers of cases have been taken down to be really quite low, and then skyrocketed again. Things could get very bad after the holiday season if we don't take care now.
And I just want to quote what, you're in the UK, what the UK Chancellor Rishi Sunak said. Celebrating Diwali this year will be difficult, and he encouraged families to meet up virtually this weekend. But Nicola, it's so hard, isn't it? Because you crave, what people crave, that family time, that family warmth, that bond. How do you do it virtually?
Yeah, I mean, I agree. A Zoom Christmas, a Zoom Diwali is not what any of us want, but it might be the most sensible thing. Meeting up with, within a very small, within your existing family group, can be possible. The people that you live with, the people in the UK who you are bubbling with, for example. But those larger family groups where you literally are going from one house to another house to another house, it's just too dangerous. So, getting together with family on Zoom, phone calls, etc. I think that unfortunately we've got to put the celebrations on hold until next year, when hopefully later next year, when we're all in a better position.
So Nicola, you say put the celebrations on hold, but for those that can't or won't, your advice, your top tips before we leave you?
Would be, if you can't, and if you really are meeting up with other people, keep a distance. Keep those hand washing, keep hygiene. Remember masks. If seeing people is one thing, hugging them is another. Keep your distance and try and do that.
Big challenge, isn't it, Nicola? Thank you so much. Nicola Stonehouse, thank you for your time and joining us on TRT World.